HeliDirect. What's up? What's up? Hello, party people. My name is Sean K of HeliDirect. I have some incredible news. I just actually got wind of it maybe a week ago. And right now, I am at URCHA 2023. Right now, the Worlds are going on. Our man Jamie is fighting with Kenny Cole and Nick Maxwell, and it's just an all-out brawl right now, a few miles away from here at the AMA site. Let me introduce you to Goosky's newest model, the Goosky S1 Legend. Yes. This is the S1. Just to give you some comparison, here's the brand new box of the S1, and here's the box of the brand new S2. Considerable difference here, right? And here is the RS4. This thing looks huge, right? Compared to these other models. I have not flown it. This is an unboxing. I will not be flying it. Well, I don't think I'll be flying it. I'm gonna get it out the box and also just talk about what I know about the kit so far. I am waiting on a list of features for this S1. Goosky is getting that together for me now. However, I've got to open this box. I cannot wait. So here we go. A lot of guys that really like the S2 will probably really like this one. The S2 was such a hit. We're running out of stock all the time. They're just a winner. I'm hoping the S2 and the RS4 and the Venom, this will live up to those expectations as well. All right. Okay, so this one comes with the same, like, I don't know what this material is called. It's like a hard foam case, but it's awesome for carrying around. You want to throw it in the back of the car. You got a lunch break. You want to, oh, this is cool. See, I love this. I love this. I love the name here. Let's see. I think there's a little film here. Normally you're not supposed to do this, but I just, when I see it, I can't help it. All right, don't judge me. So here is the S1 box. This is my hand, so it's a really fairly small box. I love this Goosky on the top. It's a very nice finish to it. And it feels very durable, just like the other ones. This one, I think they upgraded the box. Like, this is no joke here. Like, you could probably run a car over this. Actually, don't do that. Don't test that. And I did not say that you can roll a car over, so don't even try it. I can hear it now. Patrick's like, hey man, some dude rolled over his S1 and said on the video, you said it could. No, I didn't say that at all. Don't do it. All right, here we go. Ooh. Goosky, man. Some people say, what is it? Goosky. It's like 17 different ways of pronouncing it. This is sweet. I love the canopy on it. Nice. So a lot of the guys out there that are maybe wanting something smaller than the S2, because if you do set up the S2 with a lot of head speed and pitch, it turns into a monster. And some of you guys out there know what I mean. This thing is nice. This is nice. It's got the S1 on the blades here, and the canopy comes off. It has the canopy grommets. I love the gloss they put on the canopy. So let's look here. We've got DS05 servos on the swash. We've got the motherboard here. Look at that. I love they put their name on the motors. That's so sexy. Okay, all right. It's looking good and it feels sturdy. This boom feels very sturdy. Let's take the blades out of the holder. I don't know. This looks very exciting to me. I love the little fin. It looks like a mini S2. I mean, it is literally a mini S2. We'll have to see how it flies. Also, if you know the S2, it's like the motor on there is like a beast. And that's why it can get away from you. If you have a lot of pitch and a lot of head speed, it gets going and it gets going fast. This is beautiful. So I'm assuming this is where you plug the battery in. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we have an extra set of blades for main and tail. Now, because this is a pre-production model kit, I'm not sure if yours will come with that. We will clarify that a little bit later, but for right now, that's what's in the box. Okay, you get looks like a main shaft and a spindle and a couple extra screws, zip ties. Yes, I think it is, Bluetooth module. So if you have the app, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to link up to this and do your editing to your gyros, tail and head, servo speed, stuff like that, centering, all that stuff. You'll need this. That's what comes in the box. Also, you get a handy bag of whatever this is. We have our Bluetooth module. This little canopy is sick, man. This thing looks fun. Actually, I'm gonna try and get this bound up to my Futaba 32MZ, and I'm gonna try to get a quick little hover or flight indoors, but I just wanted to do the unboxing first. Oh, does it come with a battery? Well, I'm not sure. Don't quote me, but one of these was handed to me, and I'm not sure if it was coming with the kit or not. I assume it is. The other kits come with batteries as well. So you would stick this in here. Oh, it's nice and snug. All right. And then right in here, plug it in and you're good to go. So this is what comes in the new S1 Goosky kit. Actually, let me put this canopy back on. Let me see if I can slide the battery in. It looks like I can. I just want to test it just to make sure, because someone's gonna ask that. And also too, if you're asking what the price is, I do not know what the price is. We will find out and it will be posted on our site and hopefully on the YouTube if we know that by the time it comes out. Yep, boom, there it is. Oh, that's cool. That is so cool. So there you have it. That is the new Goosky S1. Also too, to charge these little batteries, because you need this to charge it. So what I was told was you plug this in here like this goes to your charger, and this goes to your balance lead so it can balance and charge at the same time. This is a 300 milliamp pack, 60C, and I'm gonna try and get this puppy in the air. I got it bound up to my Futaba 32MZ, and I'm going to try to hover it. I put in a basic model, nothing crazy. I've got an idle up 1 and 2. Let's hope everything is right. I'm just gonna hover it. Oh boy. Oh, she hovers. She hovers. Quite stable too. I'll take it. Maiden flight. It hovers. I'm going to do some 3D with it, but not right now. It's getting kind of late. But tomorrow morning, S1 time, baby. Yeah.